Yeah, Thomas. Do we get it out? Tomas the Tank Engine. Wow. Should we open it? Let's open it up, hey? What's the CD with it? There we go. There's Thomas. There he goes, Thomas. And there's track. We can put the track together. He's got a carriage. Yeah. We'll have to make the track up. Yeah, it's a track. And there's a CD. I don't know what the CD is. Chuck it on.
Vậy you take over cái đồ đuôi rồi. What is this?
Oh, is it battery power or something?
Don't know.
Why would there be grooves on the track of it? There you go, it's your first Thomas track. Hang on mate, hang on. I'm going to put this on here. Put that on there. Now give me Thomas. There, that goes on the track. Thomas. And it's got batteries. It needs batteries now. And look, Thomas goes on the track. Oh, he doesn't even roll.
Yeah, it's cheap. Hang on. Where have we got batteries? Some in the drawer?
Just need one double A.
How about that? This is CD.
Yeah. Oh no. They're in the truck. Wait. Look at that, Axel. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay.